Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am like super excited, super hyped about this video because guess what? I am going to be finishing my 50 envelope boxes, so I have enough cash to get that done, and then I have another challenge that I will be starting because I don't know if I'm going to like switch over to do this again immediately or I'm going to wait before the beginning of the year. So I'm going to kind of figure that out, but I do have another challenge that I am going to be starting. But yeah, today I am going to be finishing these boxes. Y'all know how hard I've been working, and then I'm going to tell y'all about some vendor issues later on. It's not going to be like a drag or anything like that. I'm just going to, you know, update you guys. So yeah, because I don't want this video to be a drag. So let me get my pens out, and we're going to get our cash. And we need this. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out our cards. As y'all know, I've been working on this thing for a long time and I wanted to finish it. That was my goal, to finish it before the end of the year, and my goal has come. So this is what, September, the 9th month. So it took me 9 months to actually finish doing this. I was like super focused because last year I didn't finish this. I didn't even get like a good start of doing this, so I am like super excited and super hyped. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and count our cash, and I'm just gonna sit this here right now. And y'all, and Aiden is competing with me again. He is I'm gonna bring this up a little bit. He is in the background playing with his little magnets, having fun. All right, so we're gonna be actually stuffing $580. Now, I do have an envelope in here that one video you guys caught. I actually marked it off on here, but I actually didn't stuff it. I went to a different envelope. So, like I said, thanks to you guys always catching your girl when she messes up. So, and that number was 43, and as you can see, I already have 43 already marked off, but one of these 43 envelopes is not filled in. All right, so we got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 580. All right, so I did get a lot of ones because I wasn't sure of like the 47, the 49, the 48. I didn't know how many I would need. So I just got like a slew of ones. So we're going to put that way. So that's why I got about $30 in freaking ones. So I think I should have gotten like a little bit more fives. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chit chat with you guys for a little bit, and then I cannot wait until I take these boxes to pieces, not to pieces, but take them out. All right, so I'm gonna start off first by doing the $43, which I need to actually find. I'm gonna put this in here because I'm not sure which box it was. And if I am going to do this, it's not this one again, y'all. I'm going to actually kind of organize my boxes, like each card, label it like pink on one and then purple on the other. That will make it a lot easier. And someone gave me that suggestion, and I should have known better to just do that from the get-go. But yeah, as you can see, look, 43 is not filled in. So we are actually going to go ahead and fill in 43 because, like I said, I want to make sure this is complete. You probably hear Aiden playing with his trains. He was on his magnets. Now he's playing with his little trains. So the awesome thing about my 50 envelope boxes is that a lot of the envelopes that I do have more, or I might have stuffed them twice. So I will have more than these two cards will have. So that's why I'm like crazy excited to see how much I have. Yeah, crazy excited. So I was like thinking I was gonna finish this in December, but I was like, nope, I am gonna get this super done, pretty much done. Okay, all right, so that one is taken care of, so we don't have to worry about I'm trying to figure out how I can do this so this is not looking crazy on camera. All right, so we'll just do it that way. Okay, all right, so we'll just go in order. So we need to do 36, So we need to find and see where's 36. So 35, so this 36 is not filled. I'm just gonna leave this up a little bit so that way I can 20, 30. I'm gonna use some of these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And y'all, the thing I was saying about vendor issues, like I said, I don't like to whine a lot, and you know, I like to do what I need to do. Oh, I need to do 37 too, but like it was totally stressing me out because y'all know I did pre-orders for the little pocket walls, and thank you guys so much for being like so like patient and everything like that. I've never had that happen. Yeah, it was supposed to be like a ready to ship, but for some reason it is taking way more than what it is. And then I finally got a tracking number, so they're finally on their way to me. But y'all, I've been like stressing, and I know I want to get y'all stuff to you, and I've just been like messaging, and I'm like, okay, so I have people waiting on stuff that I've already made the items that's supposed to go inside of these wallets. I'm like, can y'all send them to me? What you gonna do? So they're like, okay, yeah, we're sending them and they'll be ready this day. And then I don't have a tracking number, so I'm like messaging back. They're probably tired of me now, so I might have to end up finding a different vendor. So sometimes that's just the way that business go. So you know what I'm saying. So I mean, you know, but like I said, I was just stressing because I haven't had the orders in. I have like, it's stressful. So I try to keep y'all pretty much updated on my Instagram about what's going on, and yeah, so that has been seriously stressing me out. So all right, so we got 46, so we got 20, 40, 45, 46, so 20, 45, 46. So we're gonna go ahead and mark that off. Maybe I need to stuff the envelope first before I put the money in there, because that's how I forgot a couple of them. So we're gonna go ahead. So I don't know, like I said, I'm going to do it next year again because I did like this. It does take a while, so you have to have patience with doing this one because it does take a while. A lot of people do the 100 envelopes, but I just did the 50-50 times 2, and that seems to be enough money that I can put to the side without stretching my budget. So that is, I'm losing my train of thought because Aiden is playing with his trains and I can hear him in the background. But he's having fun. But yeah, so it takes a little bit longer to do this challenge, but like I said, I don't know if I'm going to roll right into it again or I'm going to start the beginning of the year. All right, so we got 47. So let's do 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. So 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. Y'all know I got to count behind myself again just to make sure. All right, so we got 47 there, and let's put that back in. I mean, my coloring is not good at all. All right, so that goes in there. Now we're gonna do 48. So let's find, it looks like all of this is in this box. I'm gonna take out 48 and 49, so we're just gonna take 2 of those out. Okay. Yeah, so I do have a new challenge that I am going to, I don't have it in my Etsy shop yet, or, well, my Etsy shop is mostly just all digitals. I don't have it on my website. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. We're getting low in 5s, as I can see. All right, so we got 48 here. And it's going to be the one I'm going to start as soon as I'm done with this one, which I am done today. And then once I pull all of this money out, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I have no idea. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. I seriously don't have any idea. I mean, I could put it on savings, but I do have my Save It Up box that I've been using here for my Discover card. So I really don't need to put that on my card. I don't know. Maybe I might put some on my card. I don't know. I'll just have to check and see. Figure it out. All right. So this is 49, y'all. I got goosebumps because this card is finished. I am going to laminate this and I am going to frame it. And I'm going to put the date on here that I finished it. So we got 20, 40. Let's do 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right. So we got 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. So we got 49, and Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh. Like, this is a big accomplishment, y'all, because I went from like not being able to save anything, spending everything I have, to being able to save all of this. You know, that's like, I don't know. Okay, so finished. I'm gonna just write finished 9/15/22. See that? Okay, bring it back. Okay, all right, so we're gonna do 44. So let's see. And this little box is busting out the seams, but it's all good. All right, so we're gonna do 44. All right, so I'm gonna do 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need to exchange some stuff in just a second. So we got 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. And that will go in here. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. All right. So if you ever say you cannot save money, yes, you can. You just pick a savings challenge that is on your level, or that, you know what I'm saying, where you're not stressing yourself, and you can do it. You definitely can do it. Okay, so now we're going to do 46. So we got 20, 40, 45, 46. So 20, 40, 45, 46. And we need to find this 46 envelope. Oh, here we go. So we got 46. All right, so that there. So that will go there. And then we're gonna do, okay, so we got 47, 48, and 49. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do 46. Okay, so let's go ahead and get 47. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. All right. And Aiden is running up and down the steps. I don't know what he got going on. All right, safety first, buddy. Safety first. Okay, so now we got, let me do 47, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm about to fill in the last box. So excited. Okay, so we got 48. So we got 20, 40, 45, 46, 47. Uh-oh. All right, let me get it together. All right, so let me take this here, and we're just gonna exchange some cash here. Let's see what we can exchange. Maybe some small bills. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we'll take a 10, put it here, and that'll work there. All right, so we'll put that. So I'm gonna put this back over here. All right. So we were doing 48, so we got 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, and we got 48, 20, 45, 46, 47. Let me just make sure I get it together. All right, so we got 48, and I'm gonna put this in here. All right, so 48 goes in there. That is, you know what? I ain't even gonna stress it because it's coming out of here in just a second. Not a second, but in my next video. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Click that little red button, hit the notification bell, because the next couple videos is going to be me unstuffing this box, y'all. I am like so excited. I just can't fight it. I'm about to lose control and okay, all right, enough of that. All right, so 20, 40. Okay, so 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, yep. All right, so that is exactly how much I need left. So 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. All right, y'all. So this is the last envelope. Oh my gosh. Last envelope, y'all. Last envelope. I'm done with these two challenges. I'm done with them. Done. Okay. All right, so 49. Let me put this back in here. All right. Now we're done. This thing does not even close anymore. It's so big. So I'm going to do finished 09/15/22. All right. So we are finished with our 50 envelope challenge. Y'all, I'm so excited. Okay, I am like super hyped, super excited. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna put that there. All right, so as you can see, I do have $40 left. 20, 30, 40. I had to count a little bit because I was a little worried. I was like, I didn't see the 10 behind there. Okay, so my new challenge that I'm going to be rolling over into and doing is going to be, ta-da! Isn't she cute? Isn't she lovely? Okay, isn't she lovely? Okay, all right, so this is going to be just an easy challenge, 1,000 savings challenge. All right, so we are actually going to go ahead and start this because I am pretty much done with this challenge here. All right, so there is a little card in here that says save 1,000, and it is just basically $40 each. All right, and then each envelope will be labeled 40 bucks. So this is an easy challenge. I like doing challenges, but I don't want them to be super stressful where I feel like you know, shorten something else, but I also want to save, you know, a good amount. So that's why I'm going to do this. All right, so we are actually going to add $40. So we're going to I'm going to do an X on there. All right, so, and then I am going to just fold my money like normal. And then I am going to, let me put her in there right. All right, and I'm just going to insert it like that. And that is my first $40 for my first challenge. So this is going to be my new challenge since I've completed this. All right, so thank you guys so much for chilling with me through this video. All right, we finished our 50 envelope challenge. Next video is going to be unstuffing. All right, so if you have not already followed me on my Instagram, please make sure that you follow me there, in my TikTok, because I do a lot of shop updates, things that I have coming out, like news about stuff that's going on with my shop. So make sure you follow me on that page. And then if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share. And then, like I always say, until next time, guys, peace.